DIY landscaping. Transforming your yard with simple projects. A well-maintained yard can be a source of pride for homeowners. However, landscaping can be expensive and time-consuming, especially if you hire a professional. Fortunately, there are simple DIY landscaping projects that can help transform your yard into an inviting and functional space without breaking the bank. In this article, we will discuss some easy DIY landscaping projects that can transform your yard. Add mulch. Mulch is an excellent way to improve the appearance of your yard while also improving its health. Mulch helps retain moisture in the soil, which can reduce the need for watering. It also helps to suppress weed growth and regulate soil temperature. Mulch comes in a variety of materials, including wood chips, bark, and shredded leaves. You can choose a mulch that complements the style of your yard. Build a pathway. A pathway can help to define your yard while also providing a functional element. Building a pathway is relatively easy and can be done with materials like pavers, bricks, or stones. Choose a material that complements the style of your yard. A pathway can lead to a garden area or a seating area, providing a focal point in your yard. Install a water feature. A water feature can add a sense of tranquility to your yard. There are many different types of water features, including fountains, ponds, and waterfalls. A water feature can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. If you are unsure about how to install a water feature, there are many resources online that can guide you through the process. Plant a garden. A garden can be a great way to add color and texture to your yard. There are many different types of gardens, including flower gardens, vegetable gardens, and herb gardens. Choose a spot in your yard that receives enough sunlight and start small. Consider using raised garden beds or containers if you have limited space. Add lighting. Outdoor lighting can help to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your yard. There are many different types of outdoor lighting, including string lights, lanterns, and spotlights. Choose a type of lighting that complements the style of your yard. Outdoor lighting can also help to increase safety by illuminating pathways and potential hazards. Build a fire pit. A fire pit can be a great addition to your yard, providing a focal point for gatherings and adding warmth on chilly evenings. Building a fire pit is relatively easy and can be done with materials like bricks or stones. Be sure to check with your local municipality to see if there are any regulations regarding fire pits. Create a seating area. Creating a seating area can provide a space for relaxation and entertainment in your yard. A seating area can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. Consider using materials like wood, concrete, or pavers to create a foundation. Add seating elements like chairs, benches, or a swing to complete the space. In conclusion, DIY landscaping projects can help transform your yard into an inviting and functional space. By adding mulch, building a pathway, installing a water feature, planting a garden, adding lighting, building a fire pit, and creating a seating area, you can create a yard that reflects your style and personality. These projects are relatively easy and can be done on a budget, making them accessible to homeowners of all skill levels. With a little bit of time and effort, you can transform your yard into a beautiful oasis that you can enjoy for years to come.